The Pixel 10 series just leaked, and at first glance, it looks, well, familiar. But here's the twist. Google is reportedly adding a third camera to the base model, and that raises a lot of questions. Since the Pixel 6 era, Google's lineup has been pretty straightforward. The Pro models get the bells and whistles, 3 cameras, extra RAM, and a better display, while the base model keeps things simpler and more affordable by cutting out that third camera. And then, of course, there's the A series, stripping things down even further to hit that $500 price point. But now it looks like Google might be shaking things up. Leaked renders of the Pixel 10 show a nearly identical design to the Pixel 9 series, which honestly is fine. Google's been nailing the look, but the real kicker? The base Pixel 10 might have a telephoto lens. That's weird because the telephoto lens has been a defining Pro feature. If the base Pixel 10 gets a third camera, what even makes the Pro models Pro anymore? The obvious answer is that Google wouldn't just give away premium features without some kind of trade-off. Here's what might be happening. Maybe it's not the same periscope zoom we see on the Pros. Instead, it could be a cheaper 2x or 3x zoom lens instead of a full-on 5x periscope. Google could slap in a basic sensor that technically counts as a third lens, but doesn't match the quality of the Pro's camera. Or maybe Google will offset this by beefing up the Pro models with more storage, a better main sensor, faster charging, or even fancy new battery tech, like the silicon carbon batteries. If Google just adds an extra camera to the base model without any trade-offs, the whole lineup could become a pricing nightmare. The smaller Pixel 10 Pro would be in trouble. Why would anyone buy it if the base model has nearly the same features for less money? And let's be honest, Pixel pricing has already been kind of a mess lately. Last-gen models sticking around at full price, weird spec mismatches, and overlapping features make for a confusing buying experience. Adding another curveball won't help. We'll have to wait and see how Google plays this. Maybe the leaks aren't telling the full story. Maybe Google has a killer feature up its sleeve to keep the Pro models relevant. Or maybe, just maybe, this is Google pulling a classic Pixel move and doing something that doesn't make sense. But what do you think? Does a 3-camera Pixel 10 make sense, or is Google just making things complicated? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.